Technology has always had a role in the America's Cup, but for this 34th edition, technology could be the difference between winning and losing.
We rely hugely on our prediction programs, which takes a huge amount of computation power, but also the post-processing. So once we get all of our results in the water, we get so much data.
During the 32nd Cup, the team generated just 4 gigabytes for the entire campaign. Fast forward 6 years, Oracle Team USA now produces up to 200 gigabytes per day. The AC-72, designed and built by the team, has fiber optic cabling throughout and up to 400 sensors on board measuring everything from wind speed to strain on different parts.
There's about 2,000 to 3,000 variables that we crunch 10 times a second on the boat. We've got a pretty big server that collects that data stream, distributes it throughout the boat, and also sends it back to shore so that we actually have a data stream coming back to shore.
The live data being generated on San Francisco Bay is sent by Wi-Fi straight to the team's Oracle database. Each department, including boat builders, has instant access to the day's performance.
The nice thing is the boat talks to us. Even when it's sailing out there, we get these great displays of information, so there's a big data flow coming off the boat.
That's one of the things that will define who's going to win this race. Is there's a cycle of design and engineering and then boat building and then going out and testing it. They come to the data to find answers, and how well you can present that data and how quickly you can present that data will increase the speed of that cycle and how well you actually refine your boat moving forward.
The success of the team's data analysis depends largely on Oracle's Exadata, with quick generation of reports crucial to understanding the action on the bay.
What Exadata has done is reduced all of our report generation time and query times so that the various departments that are looking for specific data can actually access it not only earlier but faster. And so the amount of analysis that's gone into looking at the data before the guys walk into the meeting room has increased at least twofold from where we were prior to Exadata.
An Oracle database is also used on the performance boat, a high-speed rigid inflatable that serves as a real-time analytical hub, allowing the performance team to immediately analyze the AC-72's data while still on the water.
So we can learn and increase the sailors' take-up of the knowledge and the performance information immediately while they're doing it. And by doing that, we can make big gains even in one day.
The sailors themselves use new tools such as PDAs, customized for the wet, rough ride on board. For Gilberto Nobili, that means double duty as a grinder on board the AC-72 and code writer.
I wrote the code because I know what they want, so it was easy for me to translate what we need on board to our actual software. We are using Java because we are carrying about 25 to 30 portable devices on the water, on the boat every day. I just picked Java because it was flexible and you can swap hardware and keep the same code.
With such extensive use of mobile devices, Oracle Application Express is used to distribute data to end users.
There's a whole function of collecting metadata such as crew lists and configuration of the boat and wing configuration and a whole bunch of inputs that different departments put in that are used in the reporting at the end of the day. And Apex is a really simple tool to do that.
For Oracle Team USA, the ability to manage and learn from massive amounts of data is more important now than ever.
We have so many things to go through that we need to have some real power to go back and decipher that data and then make decisions and move forward. The quicker we can do that, the quicker we can make some big decisions in the production and our componentry, and ultimately that's what wins the America's Cup.